Hello everyone, today I'm talking a new feature in Go-HighLevel. That is how to use cookie consent banners in funnels and websites. For accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on sites, and you'll see a bunch of website. You click on funnels, website, blogs, WordPress. And I will come into websites and click on websites. I will click on any live coaching book ebook as an example. After that, you will be seeing a bunch of pages like home page, LinkedIn, above page, contacts, us page, checkout page, multi-purpose page, thank you page. But I need to click on edit page here, home page. After clicking on this, the page is loading. The home page is loading. You will get a bunch of nice template in home page. This is a template we can use for the website building. Okay. For this, we need to add the cookie settings. For that, we need to click on cookie consent here. Okay, after clicking on this, a pop-up will be opening for us in the right side. We need to enable this and we need to click on I agree. Okay, after this, we'll be getting two options like ask to opt in and don't ask. We can choose any one option here and click on accept all, and we can click on save and publish. By using this feature, we can provide privacy for our website and increase more visitors to our website for the cookie purpose. Thank you. After that, you can publish in here. It will be published in a website. Thank you.